When I created video content, I learned to use different effects, chips. For my show, I created quests from the future using various technologies. And in this video, I have collected all these inserts with a description and basic steps to create. Let's watch! Hello from the future. Whoa, this old drums is fantastic. By the way, in this season I will help this kid with comments, because he doesn't understand both music and English. The song is beautiful. Honey, come here, let's dance some. No, I'm fine. You know, with each like I will have more money for syrup, for my health and beauty. So, my grandpa younger. Yeah, new versus soul, but they are both old, and both are cool. Not this shit which people creating right now. I remember this song. Yeah, the guys had an interesting life, and the music is light and pleasant. And now I will tell you what are the main steps for creating such videos. With the mobile application, Face Up, I change one frame and make the face older. Then, with Photoshop, I make keyframe with desired changes. I paste the keyframe to EbSynth along with the original video, and it creates animation for the entire video. Video can be made without chroma key, but I have quests from the future. With a few manipulations, change the background. I make two types of glitches for the quest, one in After Effects, rectangular, and one just a color glitch in the Premiere Pro. And, of course, to all of this, zooms and color correction. I'm using Sound Library to add special effects. In addition, for voice I use standard vocoder in the old version of the Fruity Loops. That's it, I'm embedded this video into the main video sequence. Let's continue to watch how does it look in result. Yeah, Timothy Smile Bro makes really good sound. By the way, we did few collabs with him, but shh, this is the secret. It's not happened yet in your time. And Colin, dance. Whoa, this guy is fire! With this music in winter, speakers can be used like heater. Interesting fact, some people in my time say that they will subscribe to the channel in the first 1,000. You can become one of them. Guys, I have really important information for you. If you don't press the like, my future won't happen. I won't become famous and the world will be taken over by aliens. So the fate of the future is in your hands. These were all guest inserts. If you want tutorials about effects on my channel, write comments, press the like, and if this topic will be interest to you, I will release a video about them on this or a special channel. Thanks for watching, see you!